Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here for this occasion. We look forward to a prolonged and fruitful and successful cooperation with you.
Vdhgf is renowned for being an international investment group which focuses on real estate and which has had a solid track record now for over 33 years. Allow me to start my address by taking a moment to express our sincere gratitude, especially to the local investors who continue to show trust in our group and in our future projects. When the group first came to the market in 2017, Vdhgf was a completely unknown name to the local market. As yet, local investors believed in our story, in our projects, and saw the success along the years. We thank them for our trust, and we believe that the past 6 years are a testament to what we expect in the future to come. When we came out with this new €35 million bond, we were convinced that our bondholders will not only support us by approving our request for an early redemption of the 2017 bond, but by also reinvesting in our new offering. And I am pleased to note that over 80% of our former bondholders have actually took up the new offering and also taking up a further 18% to the holding they held. We also managed to attract another €12 million worth of new investors who we welcome to our family. The group's investment strategy is segregated in 3 main lines: real estate development, hospitality and catering, and private equity and other investments. When it comes to our real estate investment strategy, core is the important and sizable project that we are carrying out in the city of Poznan in Poland, the Andersia Silver project. With an investment value of over €105 million, this 40,000 square meter, 26-floor A-class office building is in the heart of this important commercial city between Warsaw and Berlin.